extremely happy and grateful to have made it here. We were in Malacca, and I thought an occasion like this for my brother, wife, Dr. Shoti, academist. So we thought, and personally, I thought that I should be here, although I was also invited somewhere else. I'm grateful for two things, or maybe more, because today we have learned so many things, and thanks to General Mobirawala for bringing up such a wonderful daughter, a wife, a leader. And a true leader has no color, as it was mentioned, has also no gender. So, Dr. Shoti, you made us proud. We have seen what you could do and what every young woman in this country can do. And I think for both, maybe the young people here, but also the wives, I think this is a school, working in school, for so many of young people here. If you got married, it doesn't mean that this should be just the end of your life. You have a lot to offer for this country. A positive impact come through education. To my brother, Isaiah Paul, you know, Gilaba always would say that Warakulu Rujul Azim Galofimara Ula Nuswan. Again, I know it's because of your support, your dedicated support to your wife. That's why she made it so far. You continue what you're doing, and you're also an example for so many of us, including myself. I think for men here, we need to learn to encourage our wives so that they go back to school and contribute positively to our society. Because education that will make a difference here in this country called South Sudan. I am really happy simply because Dr. Shoti, you know, I wouldn't, if I have to take a message, maybe let me put it in my own story. There is a time I was invited to be a guest of honor, and during the occasion, people were talking, the MCs, the Torades, the guest speaker, and all this. And then after that, one of the elders came to me. It's like, son, you are the grandson of Queen David, so you're a doctor. I said, yes. So where is your clinic? I've told him, I'm just a doctor of purpose. And he said, what do you mean? You are like those of Lamakol and this way? I said, yes. Oh, you are a useless doctor. Now, what he meant is that what we need and what they need in that particular society is a medical doctors. So Dr. Shoti, I think you have a great opportunity to establish maybe a child health care center that will take care of all our children. I think you have our support, and you have demonstrated your ability to do extraordinary things. And I think in this nation, we need so many of you. That maybe you can lead us in that front, and we'll be behind you. Thank you very much.